part of the Fired Up program, if you're not familiar with it, our kids work all year, make their projects, and then we sell, or they sell them at the Crucible Art Fair in the summer.
Oh, that's great.
And they get to keep 70% of the proceeds from their sales, and the other 30% goes back to fund the program for the following year.
So they work all year creating product
Yes.
that can go out and make the market.
Yes. They learn the different glass techniques, and our studio is unique because we make the beads and then we make the jewelry, whereas in the hot shop or the fusing studio, they make their piece and they're done.
Yeah.
So we...
all of it.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. But in all of the studios, they learn and create all year long to make product that they then sell at the art fair.
They know what they're doing. Guess who doesn't? Me. Not your first bead? No. Not your first bead? No. Maggie, first bead? Okay. Is it anyone's first bead? Mine.